We got here a 2006 Chevrolet 1500, I think, with the 4.8 liter engine. And we got a couple of issues that the customer wanted me to look at, one of them being a misfire. So let me show you guys what the codes were. This is what the codes were. P0154, heated oxygen sensor insufficient activity. It passed the last test. It says current DTC. P0300, misfire detected. NOx sensor circuit low frequency. It failed the last test. So after looking at the codes, I went into live data. I went into Misfire and I looked at them, and they were kind of all counting up, with number 6 being the most. So here's the history of it. So you could see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. But number 6 has the most history of the misfires. Then I looked into the oxygen sensors, bank 1 and bank 2, sensor 1. What you want to look at the oxygen sensors for is the change in amplitude. So they need to switch up and down. Number 1 was switching up and down quickly, and when you press the gas, it switches up and down even faster. Number 2, however, does not. And I want to show you guys exactly what I mean. So actually, we're supposed to look right here at the millivolts. Bank 1, sensor 1, bank 2, sensor 1. So we're going to merge these. We're going to start the car, and we're going to see what it is. I'm recording this from my phone because I don't have my GoPro today, but hopefully you guys get the idea, and hopefully it helps some of you. All right, we're going to start the truck up. Right now, sounds pretty good. We're going to wait for this to go into closed circuit or closed loop. Okay, so here we go. We're looking at the oxygen sensor switching. When you press the gas, so the blue line is sensor 1, the green line is sensor 2. So bank 2 is on the passenger side. Press the gas, amplitude changes. The switching becomes much more rapid, and it's not happening with the other sensor. So let's shut this off. Immediately, I thought bad catalytic converter. So let me show you guys what I found. Right over there, that's the sensor. The customer already replaced this sensor. So I'm going to take this off. I loosened it before. So I'm going to take this off, and we're going to take this very nice camera. If you guys don't have one of these, I recommend buying the one that you can twist the head. Not the one with the 2 cameras. This one only has 1 camera, but you can twist the head. And it's kind of hard to show you guys with one hand. So we're going to take this camera and we're going to put it right where the oxygen sensor goes into. That's where the oxygen sensor goes into. We're going to put that in there. And we're going to twist the head down so we can see. And you can see in there what looks like ash. And that's not good. You're supposed to see a honeycomb type texture. That's definitely not a honeycomb type texture. So that right there is causing a lot of back pressure, and it's causing misfires. Now, I've seen that happen because of misfires as well. Misfires will burn the honeycomb, and I've seen it quite a bit on these types of engines. Some catalytic converters are a little bit stronger. They don't burn as quick. These ones do. So I advise the customer, because he does do his own work, I advise the customer that he needs to replace the catalytic converter and monitor for misfires. Obviously, without replacing this, he's going to have a misfire because it's creating a lot of back pressure. He needs to replace that, then monitor for misfires and fix if there's any misfires, or call me over and I'll fix it. So I just wanted to make a quick video. I really hope it helps one of you guys. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you've also seen this happen on any other cars. And I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.